Alright guys, so this is another bathroom refurbishment, but actually this is going to be more or less as a modification, because we are not going to change the bathtub. So the bathtub is going to stay, but all the rest is going to be taken out and replaced with new ones, like the toilet, sink, radiator, and probably the tap on the bathtub. Now, as you already saw, I already bring some of my tools in and some of the materials. And yeah, this is the existing bathroom. Yeah, and I will have to start by ripping out all this toilet here, and this is the existing plumbing. Everything is kind of loose. And the smell is bad. Whoever done that, they just, well, I would prefer not to say. And I believe we are kind of ready. The water is shut down, and we have to start to rip out stuff. And I don't have a hammer. How is that even possible? Alright, so I just found 2 hammers, not 1. Ha! Back in business. That was quite bad. So I've done some of the rip out. Just took the radiator out, and that was a little bit of a mess. I still need to take that bracket out because everything is rusted and they are giving me headaches. And I just took the bath panel out, and we have all that rubbish over there. The bathtub is just staying on one of those blocks and bricks, and we have lots of pieces of pipes and tiles over there. I believe it's up to me to clear out everything around here. So okay, yeah. Right now I'm just going to start to rip out some of these tiles. We have some plastic on top of the tiles. Some of this stuff, sticky stuff. And then we have the tiles at the back, so we'll have to take out everything, all this, and those tiles on the floor. Probably I'm going to cut all the plumbing over there and try to reroute everything, maybe through the floor and into the walls or something like that. Well, I will see once that everything is out. I'm going to think how everything will go to be as tidy as hidden as possible. So yeah, I will still need to do a lot of ripping out here, and I will have to be quite careful to this bathroom, to this bathtub, and of course I will need to take even these off, and they are very close to the glass, and I don't want to crack that because that is going to stay. So that and the bathtub, they are going to stay on. How did they stick this stuff? Luckily I cannot get it out. My God, is the threshold that gives me problems. My God. Success. Alright guys, so for today I think I finished, so that's it for today. Yeah, I had some problems with that pipe there because I will need to move it, but more or less the ripping out is done, and probably tomorrow I'm going to start with the pipe work. I will still have to take down some small stuff like that. We'll see, whatever the plaster is going to be loose, I'm going to take it down, and yeah, I will still have to work on some of the pipes here, and then we are ready to tile. And at this point, I will have to say, see you tomorrow, and we are going to see tomorrow what exactly is going to happen with this small project here. And yeah, meanwhile, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you tomorrow.